Hi, today I'm reviewing Motorola Moto ThinkPhone and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display option on this device. So to do that, we should first get the application from the Play Store. That's why in the search we'll enter the Movies Edge. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing on your device. After that, tap to open the app, click Draw Over Apps, and then find Movie Search application here, click once on the switcher and go back. After that, switch edge slides to the AID section, select one from these available tabs, tap to apply. So now let's just lock the device. And we can see that we just successfully activated the Always On Display feature on our Moto ThinkPhone. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.